Welcome once again, YouTubers. Today I'm going to show you how you're going to take your Nexus 7 2013 and restore it back to factory specs, the way you had it when you first pulled it out of the box. We're going to get rid of root. We're just going to restore back to factory. We're going to restore the kernel. We're restoring everything. Sometimes if you ever drop it, crack it, break it, something goes wrong and you feel like you've got a warranty issue and stuff like that, I'm going to show you today how to do that with a really cool toolkit. So let's head on over. We don't want that. Let's head on over to the computer and start doing some magic. Okay, we're on our computer here, and the process we're going to use, once again, it's a Nexus root toolkit. I have it downloaded here. I'll have the links below. What it's going to do is it'll download like a zip file. You just unzip it or whatever, and you just install this file. And you also get an uninstall the Nexus root toolkit as well in an updater. So you just double click on that and go ahead and hit yes. I'm going to get some indications down here in the bottom right, tell me that the things are up to date, or if not, and it'll just download the updates for me. Ask me what I want to do with them actually. And they say all my files are up to date. So here it is, the Nexus root toolkit. Alright, and over here your model type, I go to, you change, you can put whatever model you want, but we should all be working right now with the Nexus 7 version 2 or 2013 Wi-Fi tablet. And so, alright, now that we have this set up, we want to make sure that we have our drivers installed. Alright, there's some really good information in here on how to set up your drivers. Should go through each step and help you out if you don't have your drivers installed or you're not too sure. I know at step 4 there's what they call full driver test. So I'm going to go and hit full driver test, and then what you're going to see on the tablet, alright, so here's what you're going to do. You do full driver test if everything is connected, and what you're going to see on your tablet will be it'll take your tablet, it's going to go ahead and reboot it into a bootloader mode, checking fast boot status. You'll see that here on the tablet. Shows that the device is connected. Now it's going to go ahead and reboot my device. So as you can see, there's still a custom lock logo at the bottom of your tablet. And it's going to, there you go, waiting for my device now. As you can see right here, it talks to you. Well, on your computer screen it'll talk to you, but on your tablet here you'll see that it's just restarting like normal. And the program is now just right now waiting for device. Just hang out a second. There you go. My computer's making all kinds of noises here. So everything is up and running, and we should get alright, back onto the computer screen. We've got a success. Driver test results. So that's really good. Very, very, very good. So that means we are good to go. We are ready to go ahead and flash stock and unroot. Now, I don't have a soft brick or a boot looped tablet right now. My device is normal. So, but if you did, you can go back over there. Alright. And after we're done, if you want, we can go ahead and do an OEM lock. Because after flashing stock, use this to fully return to factory settings. So I'm going to go ahead and flash stock and unroot. Let's see what it says. Alright, it's to help you restore your device back to stock. Please note this procedure will completely wipe your device, so make sure you back up all of your important data first. You'll need to be unlocked first in order for this. Order to run this script, press OK if you're ready to continue. So I'm going to go ahead and do it because there's really nothing on there. It's no big deal. So I'm going to go ahead and hit OK. Alright, and it says here, this is our checkbox here, choice, automatically download and extract the factory image selected above for me. I did this already. I'll just choose the first one here and just roll with it and see what happens. Alright, so it's going to download here. I'm not too positive how long that's going to take, so I'm just going to go ahead and stop it here, and then I'll come right back as soon as it's done down. Alright, we're at 96% here. It's getting close to the end. We're going to see where this takes us next. $99. We're almost there. And 100. Okay. Now hopefully it'll do a little hash check, extraction, and then flash stock. So let's see what happens next. Alright, hash check is a match. Extracting factory image package, please be patient. Right here. So I'm not too positive how long this part of it's going to take. But alright, complete. Now it's initiating. Checking ADB status, making sure everything's good. Rebooting device into bootloader mode. Alright, if you look over at the device, you can see that it's back into its bootloader mode. Checking fast boot status. Device is connected. So on the computer here, it'll say flashing stock will factory reset your device. Make sure to back up your important data first while flashing stock. Please be patient. Also, please disregard any message about some certain files missing. Press OK if you're ready. Continue or cancel if you're not ready yet. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit OK, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take your attention over to the tablet. Hopefully I can splice that in for y'all to see, and let's get this rolling. Alright, so the tablet basically just turned off and restarted here. But matter of fact, I'm going to stick onto the computer screen here so you can see what's going on over here. Okay, it was talked about the .sig files not being there, so no need to worry about that. Just take a few minutes, so I'll come. Oh, here we go. It's running through its racing system, doing all the other. You're checking version bootloaders. Everything seems to be okay. Hopefully we'll get this, it'll go through correctly, and then we'll have our stock and it'll be unrooted. Now it's writing system, as you can see down here below, writing system. Currently, if you look at your Nexus, please don't touch it or mess with it while this stuff's happening, but it's just pretty much in its fast boot mode. So there's really not much to see going on that, so we'll just keep on moving here. Might take a little bit. I really honestly haven't done this, so hopefully it'll all work out I'll be the guinea pig for you guys. Alright. Formatting user data partition, creating file system with parameters, writing user data. Okay, perfect. Finished. Total time 72.444 seconds. Alright, now take your attention over to your tablet. Press any key to exit. I am exited. So I am now looking at the tablet is rebooting. On the computer it says sometimes it's possible a flashing stock will cause your device to incorrectly display your available internal storage. To fix this, just be sure everything is good and recommend to perform a factory reset now on your device. So if we get a some errors, some stuff going on, we'll just go and hit factory data reset. Your device will automatically go to recovery, factory reset itself, and restart. So be patient while the factory reset is in process. When that happens, so after this is done, if everything looks good, we can go ahead and relock it, and it'll get rid of the, or you can use the, we can use the OEM lock button that was on the Nexus Tool Kit here. So as you can see, the bootloader is, or the boot animation here is just going to take just a minute or two. But that's all right. We'll figure it out. So I'll come right back as soon as this thing is booted up and everything is working perfectly. Alright, as you can see here on the tablet, it'll give you a welcome. It'll say English, yes, of course. We'll move on from there. This is a Wi-Fi I'll use. Basically, setting it up like it's a brand new tablet again. So we're just going to go ahead and run this through. I'm going to go ahead and hit no for the time being, not now. Alright, I'll let the Google location just follow like it should. This tablet belongs to me, so I'll just put my first name in there. Alright, Google services. You agree? Yeah, system complete. Your tablet's ready to use. So you go through the introduction. It's as if it was brand new again. Okay, you go down here to settings. Excuse me, not bad. You go to storage. Alright, and then available 25.83 gigs, or total space 26. So that's pretty cool. Most of the stuff is just all wiped out. Alright, I go into any kind of file manager if there, this stuff's brand new. So the tablet looks new. There's nothing on here, no super user, none of that stuff. I'm gonna, so you can see that for yourself right here. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna move back over to the computer. See if I even go to restart here. Power off. Well, I'm just gonna cancel power off. I'm just gonna leave it as it is. Make sure all my drivers are still understood. So they should be. Now on the computer screen you'll see the notice set up right here. I am just thumbing through both the media device and the camera device on my tablet. So everything looks fantastic on that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit OK, and then I'm going to relock. After flashing stock, use this to fully return to factory settings. Okay, so I'm going to hit lock. Alright, and it says you should be running stock Android before using this. Plus and root button. We've done that. Press OK if you're ready to continue. We are. So I'm going to go ahead and hit OK. And then it's going to check ADB status. Hopefully, oh my goodness, I got to start this all over again. Alright, so obviously I got to redo this again, but I'll be right back as soon as I get the drivers installed correctly. Alright, I figured it out. All I did on the tablet, since it's brand new again, is I forgot to to enable the developer options and stuff. So you just pretty much go down there to About Tablet. You go run down to your build number. You tap your build number like 7 times or so, and then go to developer options and checkbox the USB debugging. So let's go ahead and give this another shot. Yep, I am good to go. Run it. So, okay, checking ADB status. Device connected. Perfect. Alright, rebooting device into bootloader mode. So let's just see what happens at this point. If you look down at your device, you will see that it's in the bootloader mode. So it's running through its checks. Hopefully it'll go ahead and device connected, and it should go ahead and push it through. Alright, your device should now be relocked. Press OK for your device to boot back up. Confirm it. Alright, so we're going to go over to your tablet, and we're going to look at the screen as we hit this. Here we go. Alright, rebooting tablet. So if you look at your tablet, you will see that it is now rebooting with Google without the lock button, the unlocked icon down there, or our image at the bottom of the screen. So now we have a perfectly refreshed Nexus 7 2013, brand new, out of the box. So this is just really cool. I feel like I got a fresh Nexus once again. I mean, I could just do so much with it now, so that's really cool. I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed putting it together. So it's pretty cool. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe, like this stuff, put comments down, anything you want to put down. Please, follow all the links that I have on there. The more people I get, the more attention I have, the more I'm going to do stuff like this. Is pretty cool. So I'm excited about it. Thank you all for watching. Take care.